most important thing was, do we produce content that turns visitors into customers? So where do I start? Well, the guys at TrioSEO, first of all, SEO wizards. I think that they came up with a great plan of action that they renew every 90 days. So we know exactly where we're going in terms of content. And then they produce content on time. And that content is high quality. And the most important thing for us from the very beginning was not how many impressions we got or how many clicks we got or how high the rankings were, although they are important things. The most important thing was, do we produce content that turns visitors into customers? And that I can safely say TrioSEO are very good at. Their blogs are not only very good from an SEO point of view in terms of being able to rank highly on Google and other search engines, but also that content is helping us to convert visitors into start trials, and then those trials are becoming customers. So I would definitely recommend TrioSEO. Thank you guys.